Alright, this is a Hunter Passport 2, which I got off the curb. It's got diamond crystal light shades. I guess that must have came off a Casablanca Victorian or something. Maybe the ceiling fan in the house has replaced a Casablanca Victorian, and it's reusing the glass from the Victorian. So yeah, I don't know what, but it's a cool ceiling fan. It's got an older Hunter logo right there, and I'll give it a demo for you, starting with the light kit. Here are these 4 lights which came on. This is the center light. All lights are on. Alright. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low. Low is a bit aesthetic. I think it needs a bit of a boost. Not trying to speed up all the way. Low is slow, so faster may be bad, but I'm just keeping it this way. Other than that, it works great. Alright, this is medium. You can hear a bit of bearing noise. It made a noise when I tested it. I will try an oil of WD-40 someday. Alright. Feel a decent breeze. Alright. Here is high. Actually hums a bit too, and has a slight wobble, like many ceiling fans do. It actually blew a good amount there. I recommend this ceiling fan. Whoops. Hit my thumb in the blade. Alright. I'll turn on the light. Yeah, I love the way this looks. So, why don't we reverse it? Alright. This is high reverse. Medium reverse. And of course, low reverse. Alright, well, that's my Hunter Passport 2. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.